Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can simply reduce your noise in your audio with Audacity. So for this, we need to open our audio file in Audacity. For here, you need to go to file and you can simply open your file to Audacity. So I already opened my file in Audacity. So now I'm going to show you how you can remove your noise with just some simple click. So for this, we need to select our audio a little bit from here. Then we need to go to our effect from here. Now we need to go to this option, noise removal and repair. From here, we need to go to this option, noise reduction. We need to select this option. Now from here, you need to select this one, get noise profile, and just click on this. Then we need to select our entire audio from here. Now click Ctrl+A. It will be select your entire audio. Then we need to go effect one more time from here. Go to this option and now choose the same option from here, noise reduction. And now this time we are going to click on this option, OK. So it is applying our noise reduction from here. So guys, you can see our noise is gone. So I'm going to play this audio one more time from here. If you're happy with this result, you can export your audio from here. Or if you want to go further step, amplify your audio, you can use this step and you can boost your audio from Audacity. So for this, we need to select our audio one more time with Ctrl+A and now go on effect. This time we are going to this option, volume and compression. From here, we need to go this option, amplify. From here, we just simply click on apply. Now you can see our audio is little bit boosted. If I play this time, and I heard that. Now you can see our audio is most boosted than last time. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.